Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. So Ethereum Classic approached the 32 USDT. We had this as a support level, but what is next right now? Can we go even higher? Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto, and let's go and proceed real quickly into the targets. So eventually Ethereum Classic went all the way down to the 32. If you remember, we talked about that this is a good support level and we might get a buying pressure around here. Now, are we bullish? Are we bearish? Are we still going to go down into the next few days? What can we do? Usually, what happens in between actually the Fibonacci numbers, it is that when an altcoin is still in an impulse wave mode, it is going up higher, retraces the 50% into the 50% Fibonacci level. If you can see, this is the 0.5 Fibonacci. So the 32.28 served as the 0.5, and then they go even higher. We are going to see right now in the daily frame that we are having a buying pressure as well from the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement line. Okay, we touched the 0.5 right here, we didn't close below the 0.382, and now we are having a good buying pressure of around 5% until now, and from this bottom right here we have a buying pressure of around 14%. So can we get even higher, or is this it for Ethereum Classic and this is just a pump due into the correction mode? Okay, because we are having lower lows, lower highs. Personally, what I am waiting for is to go to the lower time frames and we will see some targets. But first, let's go to Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, which is holding right here the 0.20's 1433. This is a very huge support level, and because we didn't close below, Ethereum against Bitcoin chart has many chances to skip being bullish, and maybe it achieves a target of around 0.202176. Now, we talked about that we had a bearish RSI divergence. If you check it out, we can see right here that we are still having a bearish RSI divergence. If you want to be more certain about your price action and what are we going to do, simply go like this. Draw the fib from the top right here to the bottom, and you will see that we are having many resistance levels. What I would wait for in order to go long again is to close above the 0.201758. If we can manage to do that, then impulsive wave mode will still go on for Ethereum Classic, and we can manage to go even to the 0.20's 1992 and even higher. Now let's see a little bit the weekly frame, and let's go back right here to see what we need in order to get into an impulsive wave mode in the weekly frame as well. Right now you can see that we found rejection in the logarithmic scale, but closing above in the weekly frame above the 0.206097 will get us all the way up to the 0.20's 2240. Okay, this is very good huge stuff coming in for Ethereum against Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic against Bitcoin chart. Maybe we can still go even higher. We will see about that though. I'm still waiting to see what Ethereum Classic can do. It seems very good, very nice. And let's go right here into Ethereum Classic against USDT chart that you can see. If we draw the fib from the top to the bottom, we have a very huge resistance level at around 42. There is one more huge resistance level at the 38.29, which is the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. 38.29 around there. Huge resistance level for for Ethereum Classic. 38.20. I made a video before about YFI, that's why I'm confused right now. But anyway, yeah, the first resistance level here, the second 42. If we can break above, then expect a very huge buying pressure. Closing above the 42 will get us all the way to 50 and maybe even higher. We found the correction going on. I was trying to see what Ethereum Classic needs to do, and right now the next step that we need to do in the daily frame, okay, it is to close again above the 38.84 in the previous resistance level that we talked about, and you can see that there is a very possible chance for ETC to go up all the way to 73 USDT, and in the weekly frame there is a huge chance that this was an institutional gap, but I want you to be extremely careful. If we do not close above on the 4-hour frame, first of all, the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement above the 38 and especially above the 42, then I wouldn't say that you should be going into longing ETC, because there is a very huge chance, for example, that we have a pump going on and then we go further down as well. We have seen that multiple times with many altcoins. So what I'm suggesting you to do, it is to wait a little bit to reassure that we are having a good buying pressure. For the time being, this is looking very nice, very good for ETC. We need further confirmation though. It is looking good on the daily frame as well, but I would wait a little bit more just to minimize the risk, okay? Because there is a chance that this is a pump in a downtrend, in a total downtrend, and we still go further down. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.